In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for beginners. We'll walk through a simple flow together so you can start feeling comfortable navigating the platform and using some of its built-in tools, especially the AI note taker. Go ahead and open your browser and sign into your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main home area. This is your hub, where you'll see your recent work, boards, and key navigation menus. From here, look towards the top or left side of your screen and find the section called My Work. Click on that. My Work is a really useful place because it pulls together tasks and items assigned to you across different boards and workspaces, so you don't have to jump around to find what you're working on. Inside My Work, locate the option for AI Note Taker and click it. This tool helps you manage and review meeting notes, making it easier to track what was discussed and what needs follow-up. When the AI Note Taker view opens, you'll see different tabs or filters. Click on the Recents tab so you can focus on meetings or notes that were created or updated most recently. This is helpful when you're catching up after a busy day or reviewing a past meeting. Next, you'll see options like More on the screen. Click on More to expand additional actions or filters that might not be visible at first. If you see another More option appear, click it again. Sometimes Monday.com keeps extra tools or views tucked away so the main screen stays clean. Expanding these menus makes sure you're seeing everything available. Now we're going to switch our view to the broader area that holds your projects and boards. Find and click on Main Workspace. This is usually your primary workspace where most of your team's boards live. If you're prompted or see Main Workspace again, click it once more to confirm that you're inside that main area. From this point on, you'll notice several highlighted areas or buttons on your screen. Go ahead and click on each highlighted element as you move through. These highlights are guiding you to features related to notifications, your inbox, marketplace apps, and additional controls within the AI Note Taker and Workspace views. Follow them in order, one by one, clicking each highlighted section as it appears. This will walk you through how Monday.com surfaces updates, how you can access your messages and alerts, and how the AI Note Taker integrates with your overall workflow. By the end of these clicks, you'll have navigated from your home view into My Work, into the AI Note Taker, adjusted filters with recents and more, explored your main workspace, and interacted with the key highlighted controls that tie everything together.